So we'll discuss something about health. See, I think you might have come across some words like earthquake or floods, cyclones, like these natural disasters. Like once earthquake occurred, earthquake. Okay, this is a chapter from about related to health. Okay. I think earthquake, once it has affected, most time it happens. So one earthquake which has completely affected the coastal regions in our country. That coastal region include even not Bhuj, okay, and even Madras also, okay, Kashmir, many places. Even Killari also, it's in Maharashtra. Okay. So these natural disasters, this is about earthquake. Okay. Now, coming like this, so many natural disasters will occur usually. When take out floods, which I experienced last year only, which you came to know about this. Okay, like our Deccan regions like Mandya, Kodagu, especially Kodagu and other parts of Mangalore and all, they were completely affected by floods due to sudden heavy rain. Completely mountain falling took place, natural disaster took place, so many lives had lost. Okay, that situation we experienced. Okay, and there is one more situation now. Now also, see, Maharashtra, some part of the most of the 90% of Maharashtra have experienced rain, and their dams are full. That water has been left to some of the dams of Karnataka. So water coming from the dams has entered the places like even your Shapur or even your Yadgir. So many places are there. That water had affected. It occurred last year also. These floods occurred last year also, and most of our institution we have donated to this cause. Okay, this is one way, and even there is earthquake, there is flood. Okay, and so many other like continuous rain will be there, and these all will affect. When this affects, what changes may take place? There may be some changes in the system, environment also. Okay, what changes may take place? Here, so this mainly causes like wind, like continuous rainfall, like continuous flow of water, and dams sometimes they will break away and they will cause natural disaster. See, there will be two consequences. One is when the disaster is occurring, how many people's health is affected, or what type of problem are faced during the disaster occurring, during at the time of disaster. Okay, one situation, and one more situation is what happens after long period of the occurrence of the disaster. What effect? What is the effect of this both on the community health? First group is like this, second group like this. So both of them are affected, and both of them will be affected by on the health of the people, or on the health of the community generally called, or on the health of the even animals also. So our chapter is generally why do we fall ill? What is the reason why we will fall ill? Okay. Here, so here we have two words: health and disease. Health and disease. When you say health and disease, but what are the diseases caused generally? So during the disaster, there may be very less effect of the health effect on people's health. But after a long time of the disease, after the long time of the occurrence of that particular incident or disaster, it affects the health. See, health and disease are complex issues. First of all, health and disease means very complex, and both of them are interconnected. There is more interconnection between the health and diseases. Okay. So what happens here? What is health? Actually, what happens here? Then again, there is one more word called health and failure. We have health and its failure. Why they will fail? Here, see, for example, when we say a person is having good health means what? A person is free from diseases. A person is free from diseases. Okay. This is one way. Okay, here, this. Then what are the change take place? What is the importance of this here? See. First of all, in a community, when the disaster occurs, when any incident occurs, or even sometimes unknowingly we fall ill. But sometimes we are unable to point out what are the causes, how are the causes, why it is happening, like we can't know. Okay. So like recent, very newly, what pandemic is COVID-19. Okay. So still the people are suffering, and here one organ is affected. If a person's immunity is down, if immunity decreases, if a person is not mentally, physically, and immune system is weak, means this virus will enter, and that will not directly enter anywhere. If a person is affected, from him it will enter to his body through droplets. Okay, that's why this is a new concept, and it will be easier to understand why all these things happen along with the other things related to the chapter. Okay, here we have diseases and we have health also. When you say health means what? Good health means what? Good health means what? Person who is able to maintain, who is able to do the work very properly, systematic, with proper energy and proper function. Means, suppose, so cells are there. Cells for the functioning of our body. All the cells are made up of different chemical substances like carbohydrate. Okay. So cells are made up of proteins. Cells are made of fats or lipids. Okay. So due to these cells, again there is formation of tissues in the what? Neurons. Again tissues, group of tissues form organ system. Okay. Here, when you say organ system, suppose you take breathing. Breathing is related to lungs. Okay. And you take filtering of urine. Who will do this one? Kidneys. Okay. And even breathing, heartbeat. Heartbeat is beating of heart. So that is due to the heart. Okay. And even the internal, there are so many systems like digestion is related to stomach. Okay. So all the cells will have these all nutrients. So for their functioning, they all are used, and they are making a group of tissues forms organ system. Organs, and organ system is many group of organs form the organ system. So lungs, nostrils, and they both help in respiration. Blood circulation is did by heart and other parts of the body. Heart again goes to the lungs. They both involve. So digestion. So these all are functioning in a systematic manner. If all the work is properly done in our body, then we say we are having good health. If not healthy means what? If not healthy, suppose your kidney Okay. If kidney is unable to what? Filter the urine, what happens here? The whole waste product which is to be filtered and sent out from through by the kidney, that will accumulate in our body, and that becomes poison to our body, and that creates problem, and that may lead to failure of the kidney, of functioning of the kidney. Like that also, even lungs also. If any bad habits are there, if overeating also is there, healthy, unhealthy, good food habits, that may also lead not functioning proper of the breathing or heartbeat or even digestion. Okay, so that's why health and disease are interrelated, they are interconnected. Okay, and if any system is not working properly, the whole what? Who will control all the activities of our body? Brain. Okay. So brain cannot function properly. If the brain is not unable to work properly, then our activity will not stop properly, will not work properly, and that will lead to unhealthy situation. Okay. These are the connected things which we are studying about this. Okay. Suppose for all these activity, what do we need? For all these activity, what do we need? Okay. We need energy. We need energy and we need raw materials. For proper functioning of our health, we need mainly two things, energy and raw materials. So from where do we get? We get this from the food. Food will provide all the nutrients, and these all the food which we eat should contain what? Energy giving material and raw materials which are proper functioning of our body. If anything is lacking in our body, if anything is lacking in our food, what happens? This leads to abnormal, or if this leads to loss of health. In this way, then okay, we'll discuss one or two situations. Okay, about health and its failure. Health and its failure. How we say failure? Okay, then what is health? You will find. Okay. See, suppose your friend is there, or your grandmother is there, your grandfather is there, or your brother is there. If if your grandmother, suppose if any work is given, suppose if your mother or if your grandmother is able to go to market, pick up all vegetables and come back in a safe manner, on time. If it is a continuous process, we say that your grandmother is having good health. Okay. And if your grandmother or if mother or father is unable to pick the vegetables, bring the things, and is not able to reach properly to home, if he faces some problem on the way, then we say that as poor health. One is good health, one is poor health. Okay, these are the situations. Okay, and even we also use, I think teachers, we use some words. We say you should have healthy attitude, you should have healthy relationship, you should have healthy competition with all your friends. What is that healthy word? Healthy is being well, means well-being is called healthy. Whatever the things, if it is well-being, it is called healthy. Okay. Then suppose you are doing your work in a proper way, systematically, without affecting your health, then we call I am doing very healthy work. Healthy work means what? I am doing my work on time, completing my notes on time, watching the television news on time. Okay. So that state of being is called well-being. Or when you say healthy means the state of being mentally, physically, socially well. then these all are interconnected with the community also. Means what is the connection between community and health? We will try to find. Okay. Then health, well-being is nothing, it is state of mind. Being healthy is state of mind. That's why if you are healthy, your mind is having peace and you are able to work properly. If any one of this not working properly, if you are unable to eat food, digestion is not properly done in stomach, your work is not properly done by system, digestive system, then your body functions will not be proper. Then that leads to what? Ill health. Ill health. So this ill health will affect your what? Mind also. We call state of mind. State of well-being is state of mind. Whatever you think, you are able to be like that only if your health is properly maintained. Then what is the relation between community and health? Okay, suppose you are staying in a particular area and those areas in that you are not only one staying here, you are having all neighbors with you and you are having particular environment and there is some garbage pit, there is some dirty things in front of your room. These all are affecting your what? Environment in your home. Means when you say well-being, first of all, cleanliness is important. Okay. So health is important. Before that, environment, cleanliness is important. If there is garbage, if that garbage increases nearby your home, and that leads to increase of microbes, and that leads to increase of worms, and that may lead what? Unhealthy situation in your particular area. Okay. So municipality people or taluka community people, they should be coming to your home. Nearby area should be clean, and all this should be looked after by you people. Not only you, only single cannot work. Okay. So that's why I told health is a mind of or state of being well, means what? Physically, mentally, socially being happy. For this we need 5 F's. Okay. Then only you are able to be very happy in your particular place. 5 F's means which are those? Okay. 1 F is fluid. Okay. 1 F is fingers. Okay. 1 F is food. Okay. So fluids, fingers, food. Again there are floods. So these all 5 F's are very important for well-being. Suppose fluids means what? Proper quantity of water should be supplied. Proper quantity means water from wherever the source water will come, we cannot take. You have to use the water which is completely clean, completely free from disease-causing germs like chlorine and all should be removed. That should be done. We call proper means which is clean and safety drinking water. That is fluid means, and along with these fluids, it also includes the liquids which we consume. Like fruits is there, milk is there, okay, and even raw fruits, raw vegetable juice is there. All the fluids which should be totally clean and healthy, then only we should have this, it is good. Then fingers means what? Fingers means you don't think, see, before cooking food, hands should be washed properly, things should be washed properly, the place of cooking food should be clean. Okay, so this all will be done by fingers, hand only. Okay, and there after eating food also, your hand should be washed properly. Okay, and now it has become very important for us to go to sanitization, hand sanitizer, especially cleaning our hands. Wherever you go, first you put sanitizer, clean it, okay, and put mask and enter. So this has become a health caution for us. And here, then next come to flies or food. They are both related. The food which you eat should be properly closed and it should be kept neatly in a particular neat place. Otherwise, flies which are going everywhere and coming and sitting on the open food, they are the carriers of disease causing germs. They will carry the germs and the food which we eat becomes contaminated. That food enters in our body, that leads to unhealthy food, leads to food poisoning and that may cause problems. Okay. Then again, floods. Floods means what? Floods means whatever the food source, whatever the water source is there, that should be properly coming one place and that should be collected and sent to all places. We cannot take the flowing river or pond water or various stagnant water and cook food. So that should be what? Suitably maintained, and whatever the water is required, the particular source of water should be clean and sent to the all particular village. Field means what? Here, field means we cannot grow whatever the food we want. Seasonal food should be grown, and there should be mostly chemical free, means it should be completely organic. Nowadays it has become what? Commercial. Whatever the commercial food we are growing, for money's sake we are doing. But for health, if you want to maintain health, you should use natural or organic matter or organic food which is completely, even though it is costly, it is very, very simple, so that your health is maintained. Otherwise, if anything is affected, if any one of the thing is not properly supplied to your body, that may lead to problem to any one of this, and that may lead to unhealthy situation in your society, and that may continue to increase your what? Unhealthy condition of the health, and that may lead to health problem in your food. Okay. So the other thing will continue tomorrow. Read the textbook, understand it. Thank you.